When we say adobo, we can only think of one thing. Us, the Filipinos. We love to eat great food and at the same time, make our own version of adobo. My adobo dish is actually a mixture of my favorite original adobo recipe and the barbecue taste which my husband loves. Actually, to be honest, he's not really a big fan of adobo. That's why it's really a challenge for me to make this dish and for him to like it and love it as much as I do. So now, he doesn't only eat it, but he loves it to the bones. Can you imagine? And I can't wait to share this new recipe to my friends as well, here in Dresden, Germany. So, if you're ready, then let's get started! Los geht's!
Crushed and mince the whole garlic head. Placed 1 kilo of pork ribs in a big pan. Add the ingredients accordingly. Cover the pan and turn on the heat to medium or medium-high. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a paste and set aside. After 15 minutes, turn the ribs to completely submerge into the sauce. Set the timer again for 15 minutes, but make sure to lower down the heat. Add 1/2 cup of vinegar for a complete adobo experience. Repeat the turning of ribs and set the timer again for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the big tomatoes into 4 for our side dish. Cut some fresh chives and mince it for our topping. Ready the oven by preheating it to 200 degrees Celsius. Lay the baking paper and cook the tomatoes while on the process of preheating the oven. Once the adobo ribs are cooked, remove it from the sauce. Don't forget to turn off your stove. Scoop 1/4 cup of adobo sauce and add it to the based mixture. Mix it until the butter is fully melted. Lay the ribs upside down on the baking paper and completely baste it with our sauce, together with the tomatoes. Baked for 7 minutes. Turn the ribs once and repeat the basting process. Bake for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, ready our white rice. Adobo is a type of marinade or a process of slowly cooking meat or vegetable in a sauce. including soy sauce, vinegar, and crushed garlic. It has occasionally been considered the unofficial national dish in the Philippines. With hundreds or more variations of Filipino adobo, it has become a Filipino favorite-based fusion cuisine. Add the baked tomatoes for our side dish, garnish with fresh chives, and add more sauce for the topping. Finally, serve with love! So, it's the moment of truth. Kanina ko pa inaantay maluto itong ating baked adobo ribs. There you go. Super sarap, momshies and friends. Lasang-lasa mo yung mga pagka-adobo niya. At the same time, super lambot. Nagkaroon siya ng smoky flavor effect because we baked it. Perfect na perfect for our Eastern celebration. Sarap! You should try this recipe. Wow! How's your adobo ribs? You like it?
Yes.
Adobo ribs.
Sarap!
Wow.
Ang sarap!
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please do try it at home and share it with your family and friends here in Germany. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!